All right, mate, there we go. Hello there. Hello, my brother. Hello, my sister. We're in Big Bass Splash again. Welcome back. Welcome back on the new video. And so you have to press like. You have to press like, subscribe on the channel, and turn on notifications so you can write comment down below with your favorite game and we'll check this out. So I think we have to start bonus game. As you see, I just cashed in 1,000. And we have to win this game. We have to win this game right now. And I think let's start from $100 bonus game. Just hundreds to warm it up a little. I think we can win it. We can win it. We have to do it. And maybe we'll find some profit. Oh my god, 4 skaters. 4 skaters for the first game today. Pretty cool sign. Pretty cool. Alright, second stage incoming for us. And that's all. That's pretty sad, I say. But no problem, no worries about it. Second stage is really good upgrade. But we have to win it. We have to catch 4 fishermen. Alright, 13 spins left for us. 12 spins left. Mate, please. What are you doing right now? Can we win it? 10 spins left. For real? No way, no way, I can't believe. No way, please, dude. Don't stop this game. Don't stop this game, I'm begging you. Alright, alright. First fisherman with only 14. That's really sad, but maybe we'll catch 3 more fishermen. Who knows? 3 spins left. Last chance for us. Maybe 2 fishermen in one shot? Nope. That's all. That's really sad. Okay. Maybe let's warm it up with 50 auto spins with 50 cents per hand on the turbo speed. Let's go. It's not a turbo spin, dude. Please do it faster. Empty, 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 empty all the time. Oh my god, Hook is saving me right now. Let's go. Let's go, skater. Alright, we're in the game for 50 cents. We just spent 50 cents to find this game. Well, we have some profit. Oh my god, 2 more free spins on second stage. And that's all. Yeah, that's all. Only once I found all upgrades in the game. But maybe this time we'll win. First fisherman from the first shot. Greatest one. Okay, my brother. Okay. Here we go. No way. Alright, the second fisherman incoming for us. I want to see more. More and more every time. Only 3 spins left and I want to see 2 more fishermen. Is it possible? No way, dude. Only 2 spins left. You're kidding me now. And even from the last shot. Okay, okay, dude. That's not enough. Yes, continue these autoplays. Only 2 spins left. I think let's do just 30 quick spins. We're saying 50 cents. $1 back. 50 cents now. That's not enough, dude. What a long dead shot. Oh my god, can you stop it? Please, dude. Ooh, oh my god. Rest pin it. Okay, okay, mate. 15 spins left. Is it possible to catch profit only on auto spins? Find bonuses? That's pretty sad. I think we'll buy a bonus game for something like 300 maybe? Oh my god, we're in the game. We're in the game with 3 skaters. Let's go, brother. Let's go. We have to win it now. But it's only 50 cents game. It's kinda lagging. Why? Why is it lagging now? Maybe something is wrong with my connection, I don't know, or because I'm using VPN to find this game. And that's all. Only 2 more free spins, but we can win it now. We have to win it and we'll win it. I'm absolutely sure. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, first fisherman with 5. Not bad, I think. Because we caught it from 3 spins. Second fisherman incoming. Pretty good shot. But I want to see more fishes on the screen. And it's really important if you want to win the game. What a long spins, dude. That's terrible, I think. And it's even without fisherman, dude. I'm not eager to wait. Wait for that shot, anyway. Okay, only 1 more free game. Dude, that's not enough. Alright, if we want to catch profit, I think we have to rise up the bet. Let's rise it up. I want to stop autoplays. And let's play for 240. I think the game warmed up enough. Give me some money. Let's go. Only 3 skaters. Give me some upgrades, please. Just maybe 2 or 3 upgrades now. That's really important. Yes, second stage. Second stage is great with big numbers. More hooks and explosions. And that's all. Yeah, that's all. Alright, we can win it now. From the second stage, we can catch really good profit for 240. So let's try to do it. First fisherman, great shot, 24 back. Only 4 spins left, dude. Don't stop this game. This is a game for 240. I can't believe. All right, mate. Let's play another game for 200 right now. The last game, 210. God, please, I wanna win it. I wanna, I wanna back my money now. Give me back, give me back my money, dude. All right, extra spins, and that's all. Only 2 more free games. Not bad, not bad, I think. All right, 10 spins left. 9 spins left, dude. What a dead spins. Will you pay me? And he's paying me 43 back. Okay, 7 spins left. I want to see fishermen, at least 4. 3 fishermen with really good numbers. Is it possible or what? Alright, first fisherman, but it's not even a bazooka time. Second fisherman incoming, thank you. 14 back. Without fisherman now, I want to see 2 more. 2 more! Please, dude. Don't stop this game. What a dead spin again. Just fisherman right now. I'm waiting, I'm waiting. No way, there is no fisherman here. 2 fishermen in one shot, oh my god, with 29 and 29. Oh my god, thank you, Chucky. God bless you, 58 more. Oh my god, that was so close. That's terrible. That's terrible. Give me 4 fishermen right now, or some really good numbers. Only 8 spins left. Alright, there we go. 14, 18, doubly, 37 more. $154 back. Just I want to see 3 more fishermen in 5 spins. What do you think? Is it possible? Only 4 spins left. 3 spins left now. Thank you, Chucky. But it's only 8. 840 back. We have 163 back. 2 fishermen in 2 spins. Just do it. Just do it even after this long shot. Oh my god. Bring me back my money, dude, please. Alright, I got it. I got it. Anyway, don't forget about one thing. Every dog has a day, mates. Maybe this one is not mine. So thank you for watching me. Thank you for supporting me. Write a comment down below and press like and turn on notifications on the channel. So see you tomorrow. Thank you for being with me. Bye, mate.